Hey everybody, got another craft for you here. Kits have been going out for a week now. These are Mother's Day cards. And in your kit, you're going to have one large piece of construction paper, different colors, and then you'll have this template. You'll have a small piece of white paper, a straw, a teeny tiny little clothespin, and then all of these little bitty hearts. First thing you'll want to do is you'll want to cut out that template so it looks like this. Now you can use it just like that if you want. You can color this, or you can use that piece of construction paper and you can cut out a colored piece just like the template. Now then you're going to take that little square white piece and you're going to cut that into a circle, which you're going to glue right in the center of this flower piece. After you've done that, you're going to want to look real closely at this template because it's going to show you where you want to fold your flower. So you're going to fold it in half one way, open it back up, fold it in half the other way, and then one time you're going to fold it in half diagonal. So that means once you get it all folded, you'll be able to take it and instead of just folding it like this, you'll want to push those sides in and then front and back, and you're going to have a heart just like that. Now when you get that done, you're going to write your message to your mom in here. Happy Mother's Day. Then you can fold that back up. Well, actually, don't fold that back up just yet because you're going to want to decorate. You can take your crayons or markers or anything, and you can decorate it however you want. You can take these little hearts and put them where you want. And there should be just a couple extra hearts so that once you get done on the inside, you can also decorate the outside. Get stuck on my finger. See? That looks pretty. And when you get that all done and your heart is, you can decorate the front. I'm going to take and put that one right in the middle. I'm going to write to Mom. Like that. Now you find out, and you can decorate that as much as you want as well. Doesn't have to be just like mine, of course. And that's what the little clothespin is for, because this is going to want to pop open. So in order to keep it closed, you can use that clothespin. You can also glue a heart on your clothespin if you like. And then you're going to take your straw. Again, you don't have to do this part, but it's just kind of fun to have it on a straw. And I've got some old glue here, so I'm going to try to... Ooh. I got a little too much there, but you get the idea. You're going to glue that. Oh, I'm going to have to clean up a mess, aren't I? There you go. And when that dries, it'll stick better. Or you can use tape too. That actually might work a good bit better. And then you'll have your, not Valentine's, it's a Mother's Day card. Have fun.